Hi, and welcome back to Hagen's New Jersey PIP Tips, where we bring you monthly segments on New Jersey auto insurance personal injury protection, otherwise known as PIP. Today's topic is on filing arbitrations for reduced, underpaid, non-paid, and denied medical expenses at no cost to you. If you were injured in a motor vehicle accident, whether it's your fault or someone else's, it's your own auto insurance company that's supposed to pay your bills. You deserve to get the proper testing and treatment and to have those services paid for by your PIP insurance carrier. The insurance carrier received your business and received your large premiums and should treat you fairly. Likewise, medical providers should be paid correctly for the services they provide that are medically necessary and reasonable. Fortunately, there's a system in place that allows you to file for arbitration at absolutely no cost to you. First, you need the law offices of Sean T. Hagen, LLC, who focuses and specializes on PIP arbitrations on behalf of medical providers and patients directly. We represent medical providers of various specialties on assignment of benefits from the patient, and we also file direct arbitrations for the patients directly. We can provide you free advice and sample forms on the workings of PIP. Additionally, we can file for arbitration at no cost to you for any claim that has been unpaid, underpaid, and/or denied. No attorney fees, no cost, not even a filing fee, and we do not keep a percentage of the medical expenses recovered. All the medical expenses and interest we recover goes to you. Through the fee-shifting law in New Jersey, we recover our attorney fees and costs separately from the insurance carrier when we win via a settlement or an arbitration award, and it does not affect the amount of money you recover. It does not matter where in the state you are located, as most of the work is paper-based and can be picked up or sent through the mail, fax, or secure internet. We work with you to make it the most convenient and simple process for you or your office staff. And it does not matter the size or the amount of the claim, whether it's one office visits, months of treatment, or a complicated surgery. We are willing and able to file an arbitration to recover your rightful benefits. Often the question is, when should I file? You can file immediately upon a denial or refusal to make payment, or you can wait till treatment is completely done, or anywhere in between. The most important thing to remember is the time you have to file, which is either one of two things. You must file either within 2 years of the first uncompensated expense and within 4 years of the motor vehicle accident if no payments have been made, or within 2 years of the last date of PIP payment to any medical provider. This second standard is the one that's most often used and can extend the time period for many years. Prior to filing for arbitration, if you are a medical provider, there are a few forms and requirements. First, you must have an assignment of benefit from the patient allowing you to proceed to arbitration. This should be done at the first time you see the patient on all PIP claims. Next, you need to make sure that you bill the PIP insurance carrier and have some proof of sending it to them. You can see our prior video on billing or call us if you have any questions. Finally, you need to file an internal appeal with the insurance carrier pursuant to their decision point review plan for each and every service you are looking to recover in arbitration. Again, please see our prior video on appeals or call us if you have any questions. If you have done these three things, you can send the patient file to us to arbitrate at absolutely no cost to you. We have a questionnaire that will guide you through the process if you need. If you do not have our sample form CD, call or email us and we will send it to you. If you're the injured person, the only thing we need are the bills you are looking to recover if you want us to arbitrate your case directly. Again, there's no requirement for an assignment of benefit or an appeal. In order to file an arbitration for the medical provider, we need 3 documents: the assignment of benefits, the bills, and the internal appeal. We can get started with just that documentation and request additional documentation at a later point if we don't settle the case and need to go to the final oral hearing. Some clients prefer to send the complete PIP file up front so they don't have to worry about giving us updates at a later point. Again, we will work with you to make it as easy and as efficient as possible and to meet your needs and preferences. Once we receive the necessary paperwork from you, we will file for arbitration at absolutely no fees or cost to you. We will send you a confirming letter. We will continue to keep you updated on each and every file individually throughout the process. Hopefully, the second letter you receive from us is a settlement letter with the amount of money and interest you'll be receiving on the claim. But it could also include, but not limited to, a date and time of the hearing, additional documents we need, a rescheduled hearing, the award, payments, and closing of the file. Additionally, we will provide you with quarterly updates on all your files so you know where we are at with all your files in one glance and can make projections as to payments to be expected. This will place you in more control of the practice and cash stream. Typically, live testimony is not required. Most hearings are heard on oral arguments and the documents we submit. Occasionally, we have patients and/or the doctors testify at hearing either in person or by telephone. However, the same evidence can often be submitted based on a report, a record, a signed statement, or a certification or affidavit by the person. Again, we try to make it as easy and as flawless as possible for you. We understand you are very busy and cannot afford to lose time at arbitration. For some, it seems too good to be true and never try our services. Let me assure you, we will recover your medical expenses at absolutely no expense to you. If you are not recovering your outstanding medical expenses, or paying to recover these expenses, or just simply unsatisfied with your current process and representation, please contact us at the law offices of Sean T. Hagen, LLC. Feel free to contact me if you need help with the process or to file your arbitration at absolutely no cost to you at 732-722-2911 or email me at sthagenlaw@gmail.com. Also, make sure to join our free Hagen's Professional Information Program, where we bring you monthly newsletters and videos, along with giving you thank you gifts and host event promotions. Our spring thank you gifts are currently being delivered, and our next networking event is a dinner cruise on June 9th, 2016 from 7 to 10. Those invites are going out with this email. As always, I look forward to helping you with your PIP claims and filing your arbitrations at no cost to you. I hope our relationship and prosperity continue to grow in 2016. If you found this video helpful and informative, please like, share, and subscribe to the link below. Just remember, I'm never too busy for your kind PIP referrals and greatly appreciate them. Thank you and God bless.